Ladies and gentlemen, quick video showing you how to eject stuck CDs and DVDs from your Mercedes command unit. Let's go. So a subscriber is complaining that his CD and his DVD, both kind of strange, but that they no longer eject from the drive of the command unit. This is your command unit right here. So I'm going to clean the ignition and put it to position 2, engine off. So step 1, turn the power on. Step 2 is to hold the eject button longer than 10 seconds. So here we go. Open it. And we're going to hold the eject button on the CD, audio CD, longer than 10 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you heard the double beep? That means that that drive is now reinitialized. Take the CD out. Hear the reinitialization in process. If the CD is ejected, do not replace the unit. If the CD is not ejected, proceed as follows. Remove the inoperable unit, another video that I'm going to have. Return the unit for repairs. And if the unit is opened or damaged during an attempt to remove the CD, the warranty claim is going to be over. So you got to be careful when you're doing that. So let's do it for the DVD navigation. Hold it down for longer than 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a reinitialization of the DVD. So now, if your DVD got stuck, do not put it back in, like I just did. Let's go ahead and do it for the CD audio. We're going to hold it down until it reinitializes. Navigation initializing. CD is initializing. I'm going to put my CD back in because it's not a problem. Then you hit the eject button to close it. And that's how you do a reinitialization for CDs and DVDs that don't want to eject. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.